Welcome everybody. Today, a little shout out for Tim over at Cigars Daily. Now Tim obviously doesn't need a shout out from my little tiny corner of YouTube, but I do want to give him a shout out because Tim puts out some of the most consistent and educational cigar content on YouTube. Not only that, he also does awesome interviews that provide great insight into the cigar industry, and Cigars Daily is Tim's online cigar shop. So, at Cigars Daily, you can get a sampler of the American Vikings line. And the sampler comes like this, a bubble wrap pouch with the glued seal, and inside is another sealed airtight bag that's got the Burrata in there. Let's see what we got here. The sampler includes both Rico Burratas, the Maduro and the Connecticut, the Liga Zebra, the Box Press Rebellion, the Filthy Viking, the Obrigada, and finally the Dama Velada. The sampler is $44.75 currently on Cigars Daily. And starting off with the Filthy Viking, beginner's cigar with notes of cedar, nuts, and earth. Sounds good to me. The next one is the Maduro Rico Burrata. This is it's sold as the American Viking Cigars economy brand that matches quality, construction, and flavor with bundled cigar shelf prices. And the same with the Rico Burrata, the Connecticut. So the two Rico Burratas are the American Viking. It looks like their economy brand. All right, next we've got the Box Press Rebellion, American Viking's most flavorful medium to full bodied cigar. This is a Nicaraguan Puro, the Dama Velada, and this is a dark Habano Rosado Oscuro wrapper with Nicaraguan binders and fillers. It says here it's got leather, espresso, dark chocolate, and vanilla sweetness. I'm into it. Okay, and the Obrigada. The Obrigada is a Habano wrapped Nicaraguan blend with brilliant, rich flavor with a raisin sweetness to the wrapper and notes of cedar, nuts, and earth. Oh, come on, that sounds great. And finally, last but not least, I'm sure you've probably already seen a review on these because there's a bunch of them out there. People love this cigar. This is the Liga Zebra. It's a carefully selected blend of Ecuadorian, Honduran, and Dominican tobaccos that combines a robust flavor profile with notes of cedar, cream, earth, and nuts. So there you have it. This is the American Viking sampler that you can get off of Cigars Daily. Like I do with most cigars that I talk about in these videos, after I smoke these, if you're watching it in the future, I'll dump my thoughts about each cigar into the description of this video. And that's it from me for today. As always, thanks for watching, and have a good one.